Wait, I want to do it on my back.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands over your face.
You little bitch. Put it down. Put it down.
Wrong answer.
Down.
Let me shoot you in the stomach. Just one. No, just one, Connor. Man up, Connor.
Let me shoot you.
Connor, I'll let you shoot me if you let me shoot you in the stomach.
But I'm standing further back.
Because you're standing too far back, I missed.
Close enough. Fuck off.
There we go. That's enough.